Okay, so let's start with the next part, which is also the last part of the CloudOps. So here we just want to understand the difference between CloudOps, ITOps, and DevOps. By and large, when you start learning all these things, you will see that there is not major difference, but definitely there is a thin difference between these options, and which need to be understood. So therefore, let's try to understand what is CloudOps and ITOps and DevOps. Now, the definition of CloudOps is the collection of instruments and procedures intended to aid enterprises in successfully and efficiently managing their cloud infrastructure and services. So that means it must be clear as to what is cloud ops. Then IT ops, similarly, it is a collection of methods and tools made to make and managing an organization's IT services and infrastructure more effectively and efficiently. Then DevOps. This is a collection of guidelines, techniques, and instruments intended to enhance teamwork and speed up the software development and deployment process. So, with these definitions, I think it is plenty clear as to what is CloudOps, ITOps, and DevOps. Now, here again, the focus is also slightly different. In CloudOps, the focus is on administration of cloud services and infrastructure, whereas ITOps helps in management of IT infrastructure and services, and DevOps integration of development and operation. So now it is clear as to what are these three different ops means. Then automation, automated management and optimization. This is for CloudOps. And ITOps, automated monitoring and management of IT resources. And then the DevOps is automated software development and deployment. Then the next is tools and processes, employ cloud management procedures and tools. Then ITOps leverages IT management procedures and tools. DevOps uses development methods and tools. Then next is the speed. This allows for the rapid implementation and expansion of cloud services. ITOps concentrates on security and dependability of IT systems, and DevOps focuses on rapid software delivery. Collaboration with cloud service providers and users. That is under the CloudOps. ITOps helps in collaboration with IT staff and stakeholders. Then DevOps is collaboration between development and operations. The next is CloudOps performance, focuses on assuring the performance and availability of cloud systems. And then ITOps focuses on assuring the performance and availability of IT systems, and DevOps focuses on assuring the performance and quality of software. The next is business value. Now, CloudOps helps businesses cut expenses and maximize the use of cloud resources. ITOps enables firms to maintain the reliability of their IT systems and reduce hazards. Then DevOps assists businesses in producing high quality software more quickly and effectively. Plan cloud migration strategy, right? Now this is very important, because if your strategy is right, then you can definitely get the success. But if there is some error, some problem, then definitely it may go haywire. So a strategy for cloud migration is important. As such, it must be planned before you decide for a switchover. Some salient points are like prepare yourself. Now both mentally you have to prepare, and of course the other stakeholders also need to be associated with this. And transitioning a business to cloud doesn't happen just overnight. It takes proper planning to weigh the costs, assess the security risk, procure management buy-in, and more. Create a cloud checklist. This document must be comprehensive enough with the requirement and challenges specific to your organization's infrastructure. Lifetime each item wise each requirement, so your team can still meet business needs during the migration. Determine which cloud solution best suits your organization, because it may not be that any or every strategy or solution will help you. Options are public clouds, private clouds, and hybrid clouds. Private clouds let organizations have holistic control over the security of their systems and data. Public clouds has come with more security risks, but facilitate an easier shift to the cloud. Visualize your network infrastructure, that is having a strong understanding of how the different systems and data function and contribute value in a critical best practice for CloudOps implementation. This information should shape which cloud solution your organization adopts. Corresponding visualization also helps the cloud solution provider understand the organization's needs and smooth the cloud migration process. Also, choosing multiple cloud providers is certainly an option and might open your organization to more benefits and opportunities from different systems. Implementation of cloud operation, that is CloudOps. CloudOps applies some DevOps methodologies such as continuous integration and continuous deployment, that is CI/CD, to accelerate and improve business processes. The primary purpose of cloud operations is to eliminate downtime for cloud computing. CloudOps is a critical strategy in modern cloud management. It allows various teams to work together in a continuous pipeline and achieve positive results. Some of the reasons to implement CloudOps include scalability and flexibility. With the CloudOps teams, you will get more out of your every input. That's because the operation teams focuses on optimizing their infrastructure for growth. Instead of spending your resources on capital, you will channel this expenditure on operations. Accessibility and availability. A cloud operations team can help you achieve several variations of your software, both offline and online. With a cloud team, there will be fewer interruptions and you can update code while on the go. Updating the code guarantees availability, reliability, and you must start depending on that, since major cloud providers have good uptime. Improved data security. With proper cloud operations implementation, you can quickly secure your data. The cloud ops teams is responsible for allowing your organization to stay in compliance with regulatory requirements such as NIST, that is National Institute of Standard Technology, HIPAA, Health Insurance Probability and Accountability Act, GDPR, General Data Protection Regulations, and Central or Internal Security, that is CIS. Continuous integration and deployment, that is CI/CD. Cloud ops borrow some of the DevOps best practices such as CI/CD. CI/CD, for instance, ensures there is a minimal downtime for cloud operations. Cloud ops will give you efficient communication that will help in managing even complex processes in the cloud. So how do you implement cloud operations effectively? 3 tips for effective cloud operations. Here are some of the top strategies to help you implement cloud operations seamlessly. Have an efficient migration strategy. Cloud ops teams usually face challenges when doing cloud migration. Sometimes cloud operations teams overestimate the size of their workload. That is because they did not pre-see or foresee as to what kind of impact it is going to have. That is why these types of problems comes up. As a result, there are several idle instances. In addition, CloudOps teams usually focuses on rapid deployment. However, this fast approach usually leaves some flaws unattended. An efficient migration strategy involves assembling the best skill set and tools you need for successful transition. Minimize cost. Unless you are using free tier plans, each operation comes with a corresponding cost increase. If you can reduce operation cost, you will increase the performance of the entire team. To minimize cloud cost, CloudOps teams need deep visibility into their infrastructure. They have to use the right tools to eliminate redundant instances. In addition, a sound forecast can help in planning the day-to-day operations. The cloud operations team should allocate relevant instances depending on the workload. Temporary workloads can use spot instantly. Perform frequent audit. One of the major tasks of a cloud ops teams is to automate compliance. Instead of manually reviewing each element from given protocol, use tools to streamline operations and be compliant. An effective strategy of automating compliance involves enforcing rules down to the secondary and tertiary service providers in your supply chain. Also, transform security policies as lines of codes. Use cloud service providers to check your compliance status. The bottom line: CloudOps has a significant role in the overall success of your enterprise. With good execution, you can meet compliance standards, deliver quality products, and secure your infrastructure from attacks. NOps is the first CloudOps platform designed to help you sync revenue growth across your teams. It is aligned with the AWS well architected framework to help you build, deploy, and scale workloads securely. CloudOps or cloud operations is quickly becoming the standard for managing IT operations in the cloud computing ecosystem. By transforming traditional IT operations to harness the full potential of the cloud, businesses are experiencing greater automation, collaboration, agility, and resilience. Thank you.